This is the Laurell WS 400B 6NPP LITE photoresist spinner. It's made with material that does not degrade or generate particles. The bowl-shaped interior forces fluid downward where it is routed directly to the rear drain. The upper plenum closes inside the base, providing an overlapping seal. A proprietary motor seal protects the motor and control electronics from chemical contamination. The WS400 digital process controller has 20 programs. It has a maximum RPM of 6,000 and a process chamber of 8.5 inches. I'll give you a quick demonstration. This is very easy to operate. First, from power up, it'll run some checks, and if you don't have a sufficient level of clean dry air, it'll indicate that to you here. It's about 60 psi that you need. So you need both house vacuum and clean dry air. In the top here, what we're going to do is we're going to turn our vacuum on. Notice it is now flashing lid. That means it knows that you have the lid open. And because of that, it will not allow you to spin. However, what we're going to do is we put a small timing mark on here, and we're going to check the speed using our infrared tachometer. Alright, in this first demonstration, we're going to simply run. And we're running at 1,000 RPM. Now we're increasing it to 2,000. $3,000. $4,000. $5,000. And the maximum speed of 6,000 RPM. I've written a couple other sample programs in here. This is very easy to program. You can get in and out of the programs by pushing this lower button here that allows you to cursor through the different steps of the program and change the different parameters. What we're going to do is I'm going to select another program here now and run it briefly. Hold on. Now this one will accelerate at a moderate rate all the way up to 6,000 RPM. There's our speed. It's a very simple piece of equipment to use. You can set it for different steps. To start off very slow, to let your photoresist settle, and ramp up at almost any acceleration that's available through the controller. Again, it's easy to hook up, it's very light, it's a good tabletop piece of equipment that requires just 20 to 25 inches of vacuum, along with 60 psi of clean dry air, or preferably nitrogen. And this completes this demonstration.